Is your Verizon internet leaving dead spots around your home? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds by setting up your Verizon Wi-Fi Extender E3200. First, unbox your E3200 extender. You should find the extender unit itself, a power adapter, and possibly some quick start guides. We'll need that power adapter, so set the rest aside for now. Locate the power port on the back of the extender. It's usually a round hole clearly marked. Plug the power adapter into the extender and then plug the adapter into a power outlet. Place the extender roughly halfway between your Verizon router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi signal. Once plugged in, the extender will power on. Watch the LED indicator light on the front. It will likely blink or change colors as it starts up. Wait until the light turns solid. This usually takes a couple of minutes. Now, find the WPS button on your Verizon router. It's typically on the back or side and labeled WPS. Press this button once. Immediately after pressing the WPS button on your router, press and hold the WPS button on the extender for a few seconds. The lights on both the router and extender should start blinking. The extender will automatically connect to your router. Watch the indicator light on the extender. When it turns a solid green or blue meaning it is connected, you're all set. Your Wi-Fi should now be extended. Test your connection in the area where you previously had a weak signal. You should now have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Enjoy.